If a lady is not able to conceive, there may be a lot of reasons behind that, like PCOD, PCOS, endometriosis, fibrosis, and some other reasons maybe. But there is one other reason that is also possible, that is towards the male side. I mean the lady's husband side. That is the sperm count. A test is being done that is called sperm analysis, that tells you about the quality of the sperm. Ideally, the sum should be like around 15 millions, more than 15 millions per milliliter of semen, or more than 39 millions per ejaculation. If it is less, so there will be less chances for a woman to get pregnant. If it is a little on a lower side, with exercise and diet, you can take it up. But if it is less than 5 million per ml, that is a little difficult. But you should not lose heart. Keep exercising, keep your lifestyle better. I'll tell you a few basics of the exercise, a little bit of diet, and some other measures in this video. So let's start with the exercise part first. Before I go further, do not forget to press the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my new and upcoming videos. Starting with the first exercise, that is squatting. Make sure when you go down halfway this way, the knee remains above the ankles only. So go down deeper and come up. Down deeper and come up. Breathing should be normal. You should be doing it 20 to 30 times. And as your stamina grows, you can go 2 to 3 rounds of that. Relax. Let's do some sitting exercises now. Stand sideways. Let's raise your holding the right foot with both the hands. Let's raise the leg straight up side. Raise it straight up and hold it out. Make sure the back is straight. Keep holding. You should be holding it for 30 to 40 seconds. Relax. Let's go other side. Holding the other leg and raise it up. Keep looking towards your foot. Once again, holding it for 30 to 40 seconds. Continue breathing normal. Relax. Let's do some lying down exercises now. You need to lie down flat. Now, you need to raise the legs up and drop it backside down, touching the toes. Keep your knees straight. Then come in a lying down position, touching the toes. So raise your legs up, raise your back, pulling the abdomen in, touch the toes backside down, drop the legs down, slowly raise up, touch the toes, lie down, raise the legs up, touching the feet backside, slowly come up. Keep going this way. If you find it difficult, try doing as much as you are able to do it. Starting with around 10 repetitions, you can raise it to 20 to 30. One at a time, remember? You are lying down, then raise the legs up. Touch the toes back side down, lie down again. After that, sit straight up and touch the feet. One at a time. Lie down, raise up, touch the feet. Lie down again, then raise the legs up. Touch the feet down and come back. Last one. Relax. Next one is Tanuarsan. You need to lie down on the stomach. Bend your both legs in. Holding the ankles from outside. Raise the legs up, raise your head and chest up. Relax. You should be holding it 30 to 40 seconds. Slowly roll back and go down into the child's pose. Slowly roll up and sit straight. Let's do Kapalbhati Kriya. You should be doing it for 5 to 10 minutes, but I'll show you just for some time. Inhale full, exhale out. Keep exhaling, contract your abdomen in every time you exhale. Keep your face and head relaxed throughout. Every time you exhale, contract your abdomen in. Inhalations has to be there also, but it's passive and very mild. Exhalations are forceful, and every time you exhale, contract the abdomen in. Do it 5 to 10 minutes, remember. But if you feel tired in between, take a break. Breathe normal 2-3 times, then start again. You can do it taking multiple breaks, no problem in that. Relax. Breathe. Breathe easy. Head, forehead, and spine relaxed. Let's do Brahmary pranayam. We shall do it 5 times. You can do it 7, 9, or 11 times as per your capacity. You need to place your middle fingers very gently upon your eyes, index fingers above the eyebrows, both the other fingers down. Fold your tongue upside to the soft palate. With your thumbs, block your ears also. Inhale and go generate the humming sound loud like. Relax, keep your eyes closed. Relax all your brain cells. Brahmary pranayam will keep you away from stress. At the same time, it will take you towards hormonal balance. Gently open your eyes for blinking. So these were a few exercises that will help you enhancing your sperm count. When I was talking about the sperm analysis, it tells you about primarily about the sperm counts per ml. With that, it tells you about the motility of the sperm also, that how fast a sperm travels towards the fallopian tubes. That is also an important factor. The other one is how long a sperm lives, the life of the sperm. That is also being decided by sperm analysis. There may be various reasons for low sperm count. That can be, first of all, it can be genetic, it can be a sexually transmitted disease, it can be a past surgery that is being done on a on a man, and the very important one, poor lifestyle. If you're not exercising, if you're not taking care of the diet, if, very important, if your weight is extra, obesity is the biggest reason of poor sperms. The shape of the sperm is also matter. So exercise, I already told you, if you do it every day for few months, it will help you for sure. For the diet, I have already made a video on diet for fertility. So what all things you should be taking? Omega-3 rich food. My video is there, the link is there at the I button. You can go and watch that video. Other than that, you should be taking multivitamins. With that, a few minerals. What you should not be eating, that is junk food, fast food, white sugar, fine flour, dairy products or bakery products, such things should be avoided. Trans fat, that should also be avoided. So if you do exercise, if you follow diet, and if you follow a healthy lifestyle, there are good chances of you become a father. My best wishes are there for you. Thank you so much.